everyone. Welcome to online lecture of Standard 10 Political Science Chapter 1 Working of the Constitution. Now we are going to study about the role of judiciary. The judiciary in India has played an important role in strengthening democracy and helping to make towards achieving the objectives of social justice and equality. While interpreting the provisions of the Constitution, the judiciary has always taken into consideration the fundamental objectives of the Constitution and also the intentions of the Constitution makers. We will try to understand the contribution of the judiciary in this regard with the help of the following points. In role of judiciary, we are going to study now the basic framework of the Constitution. The Constitution is dynamic. It is a living document. The Constitution has to change according to changing conditions, and the Parliament has a power to make those changes. The judiciary has accepted this power of the Parliament to make changes in the Constitution, but at same time specified the limitations on this power. The judiciary has taken a stand that the Parliament, while amending the Constitution, cannot alter the basic structure of the Constitution. Now, have a look here. Please understand. The basic structure of the Constitution generally includes following provisions: republican and democratic form of government. Second is federal structure of the Constitution. Third is promotion of unity and integrity of the nation. Next is sovereignty of the nation. And the last is secularism and supremacy of the Constitution. This is important to understand. Democracy requires good governance or best governing practices. Following are the features of good governance. What should be done to bring good governance in democracy? Accountable, responsible government, effective and efficient government, responsive government, transparency in working of the government, just and all inclusive development, people's participation in the governing and decision making process. Now we move on to the second point: significant judicial decisions. The protection provided to the citizens by fundamental rights in the Constitution has been made more meaningful through various decisions of judiciary. Some of the important subjects on which the court has given judgments include rights of children, protection of human rights, protection of the honor and dignity of women, individual freedom, and tribal empowerment. These efforts have been made the political process in India more mature. In this chapter, we took a review of the Constitution and the working of the government on the basis of the constitution. In the context of Indian democracy, there are many challenges before India's democracy. Government's acts and policies have not put an end to all the problems. There are several new problems confronting us. However, what is important is that the people in India have developed a democratic mindset